Hello everyone! Today we are presenting RepairMate, an online platform designed to simplify how users discover, book and manage home services. Our platform solves key challenges in the home services industry, including service discovery, trust, scheduling, reviews and secure payments. RepairMate supports 3 different user roles: customers, service providers and administrators. Now let's begin with the admin module. I am now logged in as an administrator. This is the admin dashboard of the RepairMate application. Inside the profile section, the admin can view account information and profile details. In the orders section, the admin can view all customer orders across the platform. The admin also has permission to cancel orders whenever required. For example, when I click Cancel, the order status updates successfully. Next, we have the Services section. Here, the admin can manage all services available on the platform. The admin can also deactivate services whenever necessary. For example, if the fence staining service is deactivated, customers will no longer see that service while booking appointments. This allows administrators to control service availability dynamically. Inside the Providers section, the admin can view all registered service providers. The admin can also review customer feedback submitted for providers. Additionally, administrators can deactivate providers whenever required. Once deactivated, the provider status is updated immediately in the system. The admin dashboard also includes analytics and visualization features. Here, admins can analyze service categories and total revenue generated from each category. The dashboard also supports monthly and yearly analytics views. Now let's move to the Customer module. This is the RepairMate homepage after a customer logs in successfully. Customers can view recommended services, available services, and nearby providers. The recommendation system uses OpenAI APIs to generate personalized suggestions based on booking history and frequently selected categories. We also implemented a nearby services feature. Using the customer's current location, the platform displays nearby service providers automatically. The application also includes intelligent search functionality. For example, if a customer searches for cleaning services, related categories are displayed instantly. Customers can then enter booking details, select appointment dates and times, choose providers, and confirm appointments. After confirming the appointment, the customer is redirected to the payment page. Here, users can review service details, pricing breakdowns, and total costs before completing secure payments. Once payment is completed successfully, the order is generated automatically. Customers can then track orders and view assigned provider details directly from the dashboard. Customers can also read provider reviews before proceeding with services. The profile section additionally displays user information and account details. The customer dashboard also provides analytics features. Users can analyze spending patterns, booking categories, and monthly or yearly usage statistics. Appointments can be booked directly from recommended services or from the complete services catalogue. Customers can also cancel orders directly from the orders section whenever necessary. Now, let's look at the service provider module. I am currently logged in as a provider named Olivia. Inside the profile section, providers can view their account information and appointment details. Providers can update appointment statuses such as in progress and completed. The provider dashboard also includes revenue analytics. For example, home cleaning services generated over $200 in revenue during this period. Providers can additionally track completed orders, active appointments, and cancelled requests using dashboard analytics. briefly look at the technical architecture of the application. RepairMate uses MySQL as the primary transactional database and MongoDB for review storage and analytics. The user's table stores user information, including names, emails, hashed passwords, roles, and timestamps. The service provider's table stores provider-specific information such as services, ratings, reviews, and provider status. The services table stores service names, categories, pricing, images, and descriptions. The orders table stores booking information including customer details, providers, addresses, appointment data, taxes, and order status. MongoDB is used to manage provider reviews dynamically. Each review contains user demographics, ratings, and review feedback submitted by customers. This concludes our RepairMate application demonstration. Thank you.